Hey Shawn,
Hey Bryan,
what's happening? How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, very good. I loved your party last night. It was fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. Did you love the banana cake?
Yeah, that was my favorite. I really loved it. Did you like it as well?
Yes. What were you doing that time?
Oh, I was just jumping on the trampoline.
What's new, Bryan?
Oh, I've learned counting. So I've been practicing counting and I've learned counting till 20.
Uh, did you practice yet?
Yeah, do you want me to say that?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. I will count till 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17.
Stop.
What?
You missed 14.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
Because you said 11, 12, 13, 14. No. I'm confused.
That's okay. Maybe we can try again. Do you want to try together with me?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
10, 11, 12.
Oh, you missed a lot. Let's try again and just together pay attention.
Okay, 1,
2.
10.
Oh, now you're joking. Okay.
Yeah, I was joking.
Okay. Now we have to count properly this time. Okay? Focus. Focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17,
18, 19, 20. Oh, that's great. So, what have you been up to, Shawn?
I have been practicing by standing on 2 legs.
Oh, that's great. Can you show me that?
Okay. I'll be right back. I've done it.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. You've been really working on that. Can I also do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll support you.
Okay, let me try first. Wait right here. Oh, here you go. See, I'm back, but I'm not able to stand. Can you support me?
Let me go back and could you please handle yourself? I'll be right back. I'll help you turn around, please.
No, that's okay. I think you can support me from here. Oh, that's great. I can stand on 2 legs. Thank you so much, Shawn. You are amazing.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm just getting tired. I don't have enough practice. Maybe I'll just come down. Okay. So I have to go home now. I will see you again tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.